Guys, welcome back to my channel. This video I'm going to be filming my magical readathon week 2. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in a bit.
Left you to your own devices. You take off all alone somewhere new. Dwell on what you think could divide us. Let this be between me and you. All of the better things are in your head. All of the better things in this bed, in this bed.
Transfiguration.
You know it's mysterious how you look for new things all the time. You couldn't make it more obvious telling me
I just got my books in the mail. I got Forbidden by Tabitha and Shadow and Bone by Leigh Bardugo. So excited. So yeah, I'm reading Big Little Lies right now. I am currently on chapter 29, page 181. And then right when I'm done with this one, I'm going to begin Forbidden by Tabitha Suzuma. It just came in the mail right now. This one is for a heart on the cover. A heart on the cover of the book. I'm afraid that all this will one day be nothing more than a distant memory. I swallow hard. Don't say that, Loki. It doesn't have to be. It won't last long. It won't. Maya, we both know that. At some point we'll have to stop. So it's probably going to be a romance between two people that can't have that romance. And this one's going to be a TV show on Netflix. And that's one of the reasons why I want to read it. And this is the back. And this is the complete trilogy. And there's our dog enjoying the chimney. Getting some reading done, sitting by the chimney. It's raining outside. Now 7:03 p.m. and I am currently watching a movie on Netflix. But I'm still reading Big Little Lies. I'm currently on chapter 30, page 191. It's basically a different woman who have their kids enrolled in kindergarten, and they all have different life situations and different problems. Celeste, she is friends with Madeline, and she has an abusive husband. She doesn't find a way to leave him because she still loves him. I guess the murder occurred at an event that happened at school. We're just reading about their lives before the murder occurred. So I'm really liking the story and I hope to finish it tonight. I will keep you guys updated as soon as I read more, and if anything, I will update you guys. It is now 11:20 p.m. I read more of Big Little Lies and I'm currently on page 234, chapter 35. I'm drinking some tea and just eating a small little snack. A chocolate chip cookie that my sister made. But now I'm gonna take a quick break of reading and I'm gonna watch A Rainy Day in New York with Timothy Chalamet. Today is the second day of the second week of Magical Read-a-thon, and I'm still reading Big Little Lies. I don't have any updates on my reading yet. I woke up this morning, I had my coffee, I read more of Big Little Lies. It's gonna be another relaxing, cozy day since it's raining outside. Hopefully I'm able to finish Big Little Lies and begin my next read, which is Forbidden, and it's for my Ancient Runes owls exam. But right now I'm gonna do some laundry, have a snack or something because I'm starving. And yeah, I will update you guys as soon as I do more reading. So I have my snack. I already ate a grilled cheese sandwich, and I'm also drinking some cold brew, and I'm reading my book. I'm currently on chapter 48, page 297. So yeah, I'm just gonna read a little bit and eat my snack. It started raining again, yay! Time for some tea. Alright guys, a little update time. I am still reading Big Little Lies. I don't know why it's taken me this long to finish reading, but I'm on chapter 51 and I am on page 317. So I have around 200 pages to be done and I'm sure I can finish it tonight, but I have some tea and I'm just gonna get a cozy and try to finish it today. It's been literally 30 minutes and I still don't pick up my book because I don't know. I started having this reading slump out of nowhere and I just have no motivation to read right now because I'm too busy watching Hayley Williams workout. Go Hayley! That's the reason why I haven't started my book. Guys, I'm seriously gonna go read now. It's currently 8:48 and I'm gonna go read and hopefully I'm able to be done with the book. I'm gonna go read now. Hopefully I stick with my word. I'm gonna go read. And I'm still here. I am going to go read now. Okay, bye. It is now 11:13 p.m. and I am on page 433, so I've read for about 3 hours already and I've done a lot of progress. I'm on chapter 75. I have around like 50 pages to be done with the book. I'm gonna go back to my bedroom right now and I'm just gonna try to finish the book. Finito. I just finished the book. It is now 12:31 a.m. and I finished the book a couple of minutes ago, and I just finished writing my review on Goodreads for Big Little Lies. It deserves to be read by more people because of domestic violence, bullying, a lot of important things happening with women and motherhood. I knew there was going to be a plot twist, and there was. I feel like the author did a very amazing job in keeping readers engaged in the beginning and in the ending. I really enjoyed the book. Our next book, Forbidden. Hi guys, good morning. Actually afternoon now. I finished reading Big Little Lies last night. I went to sleep around 2 a.m. and I began reading Forbidden by Tabitha Suzuma. And this one is for the o.w.l exams of Ancient Runes. So it is to read a book with a heart on the cover, and for this one there is like a rope in a shape of a heart. It's going to be based on romance between two people who are not able to love each other because they're both siblings. It's very uncomfortable to read these type of books. I read all the beautiful and wonderful, all the ugly and wonderful things, and that one was very uncomfortable and disturbing, and I'm pretty sure this one's going to be the same. I read chapter 1, I'm on chapter 2, and chapter 1, it introduced us to a boy who is 17 years old. He's going to be 18 years old soon, and he lives with all his siblings and his mom, who I guess goes out every night, and she's going to be those type of moms that doesn't give a shit about their kids. This boy, his name is Loken. It starts out with him being in school and he's just tired of it. He just wants to go home, and basically he's very smart, and one of the counselors, I believe, he tells him that he needs to talk more in classrooms, be more involved with people in the classroom, and I guess he's an introvert and he doesn't really care of raising his hand in class or being involved. So that's what the teacher wants him to do in order for him to I guess get into a good school. This one has 454 pages. The font in this book is pretty big, so I'm pretty sure that the pages are not that long, and it's going to be a very fast-paced book. But yeah, I'm going to clean my room right now, and as soon as I get to reading, I will update you guys and take you throughout my day. It's currently 6:30 p.m. and I only read one page of the book. I'm gonna eat a soup, watch Netflix for about 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna continue reading the book. update time. It is now 10:30 p.m. I have been reading Forbidden by Tabitha Suzuma, and I am currently on chapter 6. Let's see. Where is it? Chapter 6, and I am on page 77, and I'm flying through this book. The story is written with two different point of views, which are the main characters in the story, Loken and Maya, and they're both siblings. So he has a phobia in having conversations with other people, making friends. That's one of our main characters right now, his daily struggles in school, and the only person that he is able to talk to and is always there for him is his sister Maya, and also sees him as her best friend. Today is Thursday, April 9th, and it's currently, let's see what time it is. It's 3:55 p.m. and I read one chapter of Forbidden, and I'm currently really enjoying it. I'm currently editing and just catching up on some TV shows. Today I'm just going to take it slow. I haven't done my bed because I plan on going back in bed and reading, so I'll just keep you guys updated with my reading, and I'm gonna start reading Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone as well, and we'll see what today brings. It's still raining outside.